a hot weather. Where are you sitting at? Where you are right now? Where you are here. If you are eating something, having your breakfast, your lunch, whatever, enjoy your meal.
Fuck, man, I'm trying to do something clever, but I need one of those things that you can, like, you know, I mean, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Who's that you've been, who have you been watching? Well, that's the Puerto Rican queen, Mageisha. We'll have her, well, hopefully by then, we'll have her Instagram in the description. Yeah, baby.
Come on, let's go, everybody, let's go. Woo. I'm being 20 minutes.
You just said you meant the
Full cardio.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is where you and me see eye to eye. If you're 886 pounds in a nursing home like I was, I have news for you. There's hope, but it takes you doing it. It takes you moving and grooving. It takes you to do just like that. Don't forget to like, share,